Okay, so we just finished Pirates Cove Adventure Golf. We played Pirates Lookout, which is a medium course. We are leaving Pirates Cove. I won. I got a 53. It was a par 36, but Ben got a 56. He was in a close second, and Ben got a hole-in-one. Ben got a hole-in-one on hole number 13, and Megan got a 68. So anyway, it was lots of fun. It was quite busy, so it was backed up quite a bit. The reason I'm filming right now is because I want you to see how to get from Pirates Cove to the little train. Okay, so
How far is it?
it's very close.
Oh, good, because I only have 3 minutes and 15 seconds to charge our video.
So you go out of Pirates Cove. We were parked at the top of Pirates Cove. You come here to this stop sign. You take a right. Going as quick as I can. And you'll let's roll the windows up.
Yeah. Passing the Sherwood Forest campsite.
Show the pools there. That's kind of nice, actually. And then you're gonna take a right here at this next right. See the big sign that says Steam Trains? Turn now on A. It's very close to Pirates Cove, but it looks like you're out in the country already.
Yeah.
And then here's another sign. Oh no, that's for Stand Rock Campground, sorry. But it's right up here. It's not very far. But you have to know where this is, because you would not think to go down this road. And it's right along the river, kind of opposite of, it's in the Dells area, kind of on the other side of the river of the Chula Vista Resort. Okay, and here's the Koa Campground coming up on the right. I don't know what they're building over here. And you go under this little train bridge. It's really small. Jeez, this is tight. Here's where you would go to get the Wild Thing jet boat ride, and it's right here. It's easy to miss.
Sharp left.
It's a sharp left. It's easy to miss.
Oh, we've been here.
Yeah, we've been here before.
Ah, yes.
Isn't it cute? We are at the Riverside and Great Northern Railway. It's like a little bitty railroad, and it's super fun. And I was borrowing their electricity to charge my phone in the gift shop. And look, it's a little crossing thing. And here's the train. And we are on the 5 o'clock train. There's a guy with a kilt and bagpipes. What the heck? It's just adorable. Everything is really cute and miniature. And we've done this before. It's lots of fun, but I wanted to feature it on this video.
There's a new fan over there. And there's
Yeah.
a sand pit in the front side.
So I wanted to feature this because it's really neat. Oh, a little ticket thing. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Oh, there's a person in there. Hi. Hi.
There's a fake guy in this corner.
This is just so cute. Okay, here guys, get in so I can get you getting in the train. There were actual bagpipes there just now. Okay. Here, go in this back. Yeah. Go right here.
I'll sit backwards.
Well, he sits back here too. Do you guys want to be by the guy? Just go here. It's fine. It's not like the mosquito's gonna stay there, buddy.
I'll go in this one.
Okay. Can we fit side by side?
Yeah. Yeah. There's time for two. But I'll sit there.
Okay. conductor just came and punched our tickets. Here's our tickets. And we get a bagpipe serenade, which is pretty darn cool.
This is open daily. It's open daily.
Oh yeah, open daily. 9:30. The first train is at 10, and I think they're every half hour or every hour maybe. It might be every hour. Wave to the bagpipe guy. I've been working on the railroad. Rise up early in the morning. Dinah, blow your horn. If you have a train fan in your family, Ben was a huge train nut when he was little. He had tons of Thomas stuff. My dad is a model railroader, and my dad also serves on the Sioux Line Historical Society.
There's a bridge. There's a train.
Yeah, that's a round table. We're gonna see that at the other end too. You really, yep, you really need to bring your train fan here. This is a really fun, neat, well done place. We've really always enjoyed it. And here's the little roundhouse.
Yeah.
They actually service the trains here and everything. Look at the little hopper car. The little. Everything is miniature, but it's real. Yeah.
And you could fit in it.
And now we're going to go on a nice leisurely ride along it's very pretty. You go along the woods, along the river, little switches. A what?
An ad for Rick Wilcox.
Is there really on the side of the track? Oh my gosh. It's a real working railroad. It's just small.
I kind of do want to sit forward, but I want to be with you guys. And I can't.
Yeah, on the way back.
Okay.
We wanted to point out that we are actually the only people on this train, except for the driver and the brakeman, the guy in the back. There's no caboose, but there's a real train. It's a real train, but there's a big train right there, going very fast. See it up there through the trees?
I would zoom in.
It's too high.
Yeah.
It's a very nice woodsy route. We're passing by a little homestead.
There's a person there. Or a mannequin.
That train is still up there.
Circus World. Still going.
We just came to a barricade.
Oh, here we go.
Maybe we can't go that way. We have to back up. We must have to back up. The track is blocked off up there. See that? See, there it's blocked off. Something must be wrong with the track up ahead, and normally you go, it's a dead end, but you go to the other end and they turn the engine around on a turntable.
Yeah.
And they give you a little presentation. There's like a little set of bleachers there, and you sit there and they give you a little presentation. I wonder if there was a landslide or flooding.
Yeah.
We'll have to
Or
ask.
tree fall.
Yeah, or something. So the track was blocked off. I do think we were pretty close to where
Yeah.
you go, but so we're actually having to back all the way back.
Yeah.
So look, Meg, you're going forward now. Okay, the conductor guy came. They actually backed us up and then stopped by that homestead, that house, and he showed us pictures and explained to us what's happening. There was a washout last summer, and there's 3 places where the land around the track is very badly damaged. One they said they could do themselves, they could fix themselves, but the other 2 are very difficult and challenging to fix, and they need donations are mostly volunteers, I think. Please consider making a donation. And now we're going forward again back to the point where the track was washed out. Oops. Thank you. So up ahead there, it's damaged pretty badly. And then we're thinking they took us forward again just to give us a longer ride. And then at the very end of the line where we usually turn around, they said is also damaged, and they showed us pictures and it looked pretty bad. So it's because, you know, when we get a lot of rain, last summer there was a ton of rain, and it comes down this hill and tries to head that way toward the river. Stuff happens, so yeah. Okay, I'm trying to catch. If you go on the Upper Dells boat tour, one of the places you stop is Stand Rock, and there is a dog, usually a German Shepherd, that jumps across from one rock to the other. Now, when we did the Upper Dells boat tour last time, it was actually a man. The dog wasn't available that day, but we just think this is the cutest thing ever. Coming up here, I'm going to try to catch it.
Here it is.
They have it in miniature. Reproduced. It's coming up here.
Right here.
Right here. They've even got the little dog. We must have been the last ride because they're backing the train into the garage.